Did you know you can download Instagram Reels without installing any third-party app? That's right, no shady websites, no annoying ads, and no risky downloads. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to save Reels directly from your browser or phone. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and find the reel you want to download. Tap the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the video. Then select Copy Link. This copies the Reel's URL to your clipboard. Now open your browser. It can be Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Go to a trusted online reel downloader like SnapInsta, IG Downloader, or Instasave.io. Don't worry, these tools don't require you to log in or install anything. Paste the link you copied into the search box. Then tap Download or Go. Within seconds, the website will generate a direct download link for your reel. You'll see a preview of the video. Just press Download MP4, and it will start saving automatically. If you're using a phone, the video will appear in your Downloads folder or gallery. On a computer, it'll be in your Downloads directory, ready to use offline or share later. Pro tip: if you only want to save the audio from a reel, some sites also have an MP3 option, perfect for background sound or remixing your own short videos. And one important reminder: always respect the creator's copyright. Don't repost someone's content without permission, unless it's for personal or educational use. So now you know, no extra apps, no risk, and it works on both Android and iPhone. Try it out right now and save your favorite reels in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss more smart tech tricks like this. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.